Yes, hi, good morning guys, what's going on? My name is Vimal Carter. I want to thank you for watching this video. In this video, I am doing this video about the successful solution method. This is the online business opportunity that have been created by this lady right here. Her name is Amanda Ware. And right now I'm in her Facebook group. And the members, we have like over 11,000.3 members, and all of our members are having success. Whoever join, this is the free group that you can join to. You can come on Facebook and just type in successful solution method, and you could come and join the group too as well. Because in our group, all of our members are making money. Whoever join, but to join this opportunity, it costs a one-time payment of $125 US, and then you will actually have your online business for life. And basically, you get paid for doing the simple tasks, easy to do, easy to understand. Got full training provided for all members. You will get to know what to do step by step, step by step training. And plus, you could communicate with our other members that inside our group too as well. So in our successful online marketing group, people are basically sharing their results, letting you know how much money they get paid and stuff like that there. So I'm actually here in our successful solution method group. And if you want to join, I will leave the link in the description down below. So subscribe to my channel, share my video, like my video. So this is, because I have been actually an online marketer for like over 4 years to 4 years. I have been studying and learning. I never stop learning. We as online marketers, we never stop learning. We are digital marketers, affiliate marketers. Actually, affiliate marketing is basically some person that promotes other people's products for commission. And there's no limit to how much money you can make within this world of online marketing. There's just so much to learn, so much strategies to learn, right? But in this business opportunity, everything is break down step by step. People have been struggling for a long time, and now they're joining this business opportunity named the Successful Solution Method, and people are having success like within their first week. They're getting paid. People making like from $1,000 to $3,000 a month too as well. You start off slow, but then you actually grow. So I'm in this Facebook group, people sharing their results. I'm going to show you how people are posting how much money they are making with this opportunity, and everybody's happy and excited. And I have other people in, I have lots of other opportunities that you don't really get paid as fast as this one. A lot of people have been struggling for years, and people are so happy right now that they are making money with this opportunity and jumping for joy and having success. So you see look at the name of this group. This is Amanda Ware right here, and she named this group. This is the Freedom. This is what it's her Facebook page. Freedom Amanda Online Marketer Ware. Amanda Ware. She's an online marketer. She created a system, Successful Solution Method. We help make you a success. Approaching traffic in a way that works. Let's complete tasks and earn together. All of our members are earning money together, and all of us are successful. We come together as a community, and we have webinars every Wednesday night. So you could join our webinar. Amanda will talk about the webinar is free to join every Wednesday night. Amanda is going to talk about how the business works, how you could be a part of it, how you could be successful with it, how you could earn within your first week, and plus they have testimonials of other members that are telling their stories about how happy they are to be in this online business opportunity, and they're being very successful and making money and sharing the opportunity with other people so that they could become successful. Because we as online marketers and digital online marketers and stuff, right? We as online marketers, we want to help other people become successful. So when we become successful, we want to share our knowledge with people so that they can become successful too as well. We share our knowledge with people, let them become successful, join this opportunity, and everybody who joins will actually become successful. So I'm in this Facebook group. When you join this Facebook group, people are sharing their results. So let me share, just scroll down. Let me share what the people that are part of this Facebook group who join this business opportunity are sharing their results within this group and making money within this group. So this lady right here, this is a worldwide opportunity. So it don't matter if you got family from overseas, you could actually get them to get involved with this opportunity too. Everybody could become a success too. Everybody become a success. So let's see what this lady name here, Krista Feliciano. She's sharing her results. Got these well doing my IPA and staying consistent. Love how you earn while you learn. You can earn while you learn. In this awesome program. Thank you, Emmanuel, forever. I'm grateful. We get paid by through PayPal or Stripe, and different other ways to get paid. You can probably get paid by check too as well. Extraordinary results online. She earned $100. Growing my online business, $50 here, $25 and $200. So that is $375 US that this lady have earned, and she's earning more and more. Next person, plus you get comments and stuff. Keep up the good work. Where to go, my friend? Members of the group are just congratulating her and stuff. Congratulating her. Scroll down. Upgraded to silver. So in this opportunity, we have 5 different packages. You can come in at the $125 level, and eventually you can upgrade whenever you feel like. Sandy Haynes, it's time to refill my tank. Second one of traffic is the lifeblood of our business. So basically, when you have a business opportunity, you need traffic. Traffic is basically people, right? You need people to see your business opportunity. Because if you have a business and no one is coming to your business or purchasing your product, it don't make sense having a business, because business will shut down. So we have traffic. We have people that you could put your business in front of, so that they will purchase your product and you will make sales, make money. Where to go, my friend? Scroll down. I can invite people to the group. I feel like inviting other. We are connected. We are, as online marketers, it's like we are connected with like business-minded people. Kind of get out of the community. We want to associate with people that really want to be successful, who want to change their life financially, and who could learn and earn. You can earn and learn and earn, and make money. This is Ricky. I'm so excited investing back into my business. Just purchase traffic. Yes, because and then have to be how to invest in yourself, invest in your business to keep your business growing, keep getting results all the time. Everything is built on step by step. Within this business opportunity, you don't need no experience. So let me scroll down, see if any more people posting in the groups. This lady right here, her name is, let's see what's her name. Coach Delilah Russell. Oh well, this lady here made $150. So you can earn this money here within your first week. Once you join step-by-step training, get paid to do simple tasks. Everything will be explained to you step by step once you join. So this man here made $350 US. Melvin signed. We have over 10,000 people in the group. And this gentleman here, Diana Height, claiming high, like my boy with a new traffic packet this morning. See you at the top, my friends. Everybody having success with this opportunity. Everybody posting their results in the group, so that when other people see you posting your results in the group, they're gonna ask you, yeah, what kind of work are you doing? How are you making so much money and this and that? How are you making money? So then you will, cause everybody who join will have their own link, right? You will have your own link, so you can get other people to join this opportunity. 200, 275, that's 300. This person earned $300. $200 here, 50, 75. So these are basically banners, right? When you get paid, you get to post your results, because the owner is gonna teach you everything what you need to do to become successful with this opportunity. Step by step learning, no experience needed, as I said before. And this person here posted the $50. Well, this lady here excited, she get paid. $50 earned and $25. She earned $75. $250 this person here earned. What's his name? 200. This other person here earned $350, $250, and $100. So when you want to join, people want to see proof, you know. People want Richard E. Harrison. He's a top online marketer. I follow him for a long time. He made $350. Because today is the 28th of November, 2020. So you better get in fast before the door closes. $50 earned with this other member here. People posting their results. This is a successful group. People posting how much money they earn. Another gentleman here, $50 earned. Scrolling down. Happy Thanksgiving Friday. You make $100 on Thanksgiving. $100. People getting paid every day within this opportunity. You could probably get a chance to leave your 9-to-5 job too as well. And you can actually probably do this here full time. But you could start for part time, but once you see that you're making enough money, you could eventually do it full time. Step by step training. We teach you everything you need to know in order to earn money with this opportunity. Step by step training. People posting their results, engagement. A lot of people reaching out to people, reaching out to other successful members, want to know what you're doing, how you're making money. And then you can send your link to people. People can purchase the opportunity and then you make money. 200 step-by-step training. Plus you get paid for doing simple tasks too. So there's 2 ways to make money, or 3 different ways to make money within opportunity. That's why people are making money so fast with this opportunity. Easy training. It's been a great Tuesday. This lady here, Mary Bell, she's the top online marketer. Digital marketing is the way to go right now, because right now, as you know, jobs are not very secure. Look at the corona thing. Coronavirus just come here and slow down jobs. People had to cut back. People had to get married and put their weddings on hold. A lot of things lost their jobs and lots of stuff like that. So in that kind of type of position, when you have online business, you don't have to worry about that, because you will have your own business opportunity online, and nothing can stop you. Nobody can. Not even Corona can stop you from making money with this opportunity. Not even Corona can stop you from being a digital marketer. This lady here earned $200, $300, and $75, then a $50 here. So in total, that's $375. That's $450. This lady earned $450. People posting their results. People posting their results, making money, purchasing traffic. People getting eyeballs on their business now. People excited, everybody happy, making money. Now, let's see who this. Another person. This is a worldwide opportunity. This is Suvina Malhotra. Her results online. I earned $200 going extraordinary. She earned $200, a $50, and a $50. $300. There's no limit to how much money you can earn with this opportunity. People are making $1,000 a month, $3,000 a month, $2,000 a month. As long as you just follow the simple steps, and you will make money with this here too. SM Successful Solution Method. Thanks to Amanda Ware for creating this business opportunity. Lots of people are having success, and you get coaching and too as well. And you can make $500. Because if you join this opportunity and somebody purchases this opportunity for $1,000, you can make $500 off of that $1,000 too. For 50% commission. Somebody coming at 100, you make 50. And somebody coming at 300, because we have 5 different packages that you could come on. Have the $125 level, $300, $25 level, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. So if somebody coming at 2,000, then you can make $1,000, 1,000 US. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Everybody get sharing their results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.